activate natin yung muscle natin. Seconds. Then after nun, kabila, 10 seconds. Paano po ba yung gagawin kapag before game, no, workout, the same time, defensive na footwork, no? So, sa workout, idol, kapag mag-workout tayo, kailangan lightweight lang yung gagamitin natin. At the same time, mimic na natin yung game situation, no? So, functional training dapat. At the same time, kapag defensive drills naman, idol, ito, subukan mo to, gamitin mo yung bands. So, ang gagawin natin sa bands, idol, is lalagay natin dito. No, in-game tayo, may game tayo for activation only, hindi workout pampalaki ng muscle or hypertrophy. So, ang gagawin natin na first, 10 seconds. Then after nun, kabila, 10 seconds. And then next naman no hop, sabay. 10 seconds ulit, no? 2 sets naman siya. And then after naman nun, idol, so single leg lang tayo. No? Twist lang. Okay, hip opener lang to. 10 seconds dito, 10 seconds, then 10 seconds ulit. No, and then after naman nun, idol, we have to do laterals naman tayo. Laterals. Yan. So, ang ginagawa natin dito, ina-activate natin yung muscle natin para ma-prepare tayo sa movement na gagawin natin during the game.